Welcome to lesson 4, the hydrangeas. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's go to the palette and get out some paint. I'm gonna soften it a little smidge more. Right over the top, this is a good example of layering. You have the darks down first. Oh, that's a little bright. So ultramarine blue and some yellow ochre. That's nice. But I kind of want to cool some of that down. Let's try some light blue. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And do a little bit more light blue. But you see how hydrangea leaves are broad. So you want them to stay that way on your painting. Kind of big. And just fill it in. As you go up, your leaves get a little smaller, and that helps with depth. And as they come down, they become more pronounced, large. And they have that tip. So you have your leaf, and then it comes into a little tip. I just love these hydrangeas. I mean, they are literally speckling my yard all around my house because I love them. I like looking out my kitchen window and I see all my little hydrangea bushes. So pretty. Okay, so we've got a nice collection of big, broad leaves. I like it. Let's add some light greens to this. These will be little daisies. And then let's clean off that palette knife and let's add some of our gorgeous hydrangeas. We're going to need ultramarine blue, brilliant purple, that light purple. I've got light blue. If you want to add a little bit of pink, you can. White, glass gel. I think we are good. All right, so I'm going to just see how we do with our number 1. It should work well for hydrangeas. Let's just try it out. So I've got the ultramarine blue. Oh, you know what else we need? Dark purple. So we need a scoop of the deep purple. Okay. Because we're going to start like we do everything, a little darker first. And let's just lay down, starting at the top. Oh yeah, this is going to be fun. Let's lay down a little, kind of a little ball with that dark tone. You know what? Let's have it overlapping a little bit. And you can pop them in anywhere you want. And if you're going over the texture, you just need to have your texture be thicker than whatever's underneath. So let's scoop up some more and lay it in. Oh, it's so juicy. And they really are like little popcorn balls. And this is just the darks. Everything we do dark first. And as you progress to the bottom, your little popcorn balls are going to get bigger. I hope that brought you a little joy today, and if it did, hit subscribe so we can paint together again soon. All my paints and supplies are linked below, and whenever you want to go deeper, come find me over at letsdabble.com. I'd love to paint with you there too. Let's do it.